This is one of my favorite places in Los Angeles. You get an amazing view of the whole city.
You never really get a sense of just how big the city is when you're at street level.
I know, when I'm at home, it feels like just any other city.
You know, this is a perfect vantage point to see how diverse the city really is.
You're right. Every neighborhood looks different. And you see just to the south and a little east is downtown, filled with skyscrapers.
But in the same direction, a little closer is Silver Lake. And there are almost no tall buildings there at all.
Well, that's partly why I brought us here. I wanted to talk about population density.
Density is the amount of something in a given area, while population density is the amount of people in a given area.
In the 2000 census, Los Angeles County had a population of 9,519,000 people in an area of 4,060 square miles.
So that gives us a population density of 2,344 people per square mile.
Right, but the thing is, not every neighborhood has the same density. So that statistic is good for an average, but it doesn't completely characterize what an individual area is like.
So, is there another way to look at it?
I think so. Let's go back to the workshop and see if we can use a model.
All right.
So I think this would be a good way to see what different densities look like.
What do you have in mind?
Well, the census divides Los Angeles County into 21 districts. Each district is divided into smaller areas, but I think we should just look at the district level.
Okay, so I'm guessing you want to put the pennies in each district so you can see the difference between areas.
That's the idea. Now, we'll say that each penny represents 10,000 people.
Okay, you're going to need about 952 pennies.
Well, I've been saving them up for a while now, so I think I have more than $10 in pennies.
Fair enough. Where do we start?
The Burbank district has 100,316 people, so that's about 10 pennies.
That's a pretty easy start, but population density requires us to know the area as well as population. How are we going to figure that out?
I think the easiest thing would be to draw a circle for each district. We know that the Burbank district is 17.35 square miles. And using the formula for the area of a circle, pi times the radius squared, we can calculate that our radius is 2.35 miles.
Okay, so I'm going to use the compass to measure 2.35 miles on that radius.
Here are 10 pennies to put inside the circle.
That'll work. Let's do this.
Let's do it. That was a lot of work.
But look, it really does tell us a lot about population density in the different areas.
And look at the difference between the Newhall district and the Glendale district. They have similar populations, but the Glendale district is a lot denser.
Not to mention the district's closer to downtown. Man, these pennies are stacked up high.
I wonder what this would look like on a county map somewhere else.
Me too. But I think I'll let someone else do the counting.
Yeah, good idea.